The Cat Family and the Cozy House. In a quiet little village, nestled between tall trees and winding streams, there lived a happy cat family in a cozy cottage. The family was made up of Mama Cat, Papa Cat, and their little one, Baby Cat, who was full of curiosity and energy. Mama Cat was gentle and wise. She loved to keep the house clean and cook tasty fish stew. Papa Cat was strong and playful, often seen fixing things around the house or telling stories by the fireplace. Baby Cat, with her tiny paws and big eyes, was always bouncing around, eager to explore everything. Playtime in the living room. One sunny afternoon, the family decided to spend time together in the living room. "Let's build a tower with the toy blocks," Baby Cat meowed excitedly. They all got on the soft carpet and started building. Papa Cat carefully balanced the blocks. Mama Cat guided Baby Cat on where to place the next piece, and Baby Cat giggled with joy. But as they were about to place the last block, Baby Cat tried to do it all by herself. She pushed Papa Cat's paw away and climbed on the pile. The tower wobbled and... crash! She sniffled. It all fell down. Baby Cat's eyes filled with tears. "I just wanted to do it by myself," she sniffled. Mama Cat gently patted her head. "It's okay, sweetheart, but remember, teamwork makes everything better," Papa Cat added. "Even the strongest tower needs a strong base, and that comes from helping each other. Try again." So they tried again this time, working together from start to finish. The tower stood tall and strong. Baby Cat purred happily and gave her parents a big furry hug. Moral of the story: working together with love and patience brings the best results. And from that day on, whether it was building toy towers, cleaning up, or chasing butterflies in the garden, the cat family always did it as a team.